Hey guys, welcome back to another video with another earning opportunity I'll share with you. In this video, I'll share a Binance campaign where you can get some free tokens. To join the campaign, I'll share the Telegram link in the description. So click this link and you'll land on this page. The campaign is for Sophon tokens, which you can get as SOPH tokens. We're lucky 100k users who participate here to get tokens, but I'll show you how you can trade and complete this task easily. For that, you need a 105 USDC balance in your wallet. First, don't forget to click on Start the Mission. As you can see, I already have funds in my account. You need to transfer this into your Web3 wallet. For that, click Wallet. Then click Add Funds. Select Withdraw from Binance Exchange. Choose USDC, then select BNB Smart Chain, then continue, select Max, then click on Withdraw, and then Confirm. Now go to Wallet. Now click on Trade, then here select USDC. And here you need to select SOPH, and in the search bar type SOPH, enter the amount, then click Approve USDC. Now click Swap, then Confirm. Then wait for the confirmation and it's done. Now select SOPH tokens. Click Send. Then choose this address, which is your Binance Exchange wallet. Then continue. Then select Max. Then continue and confirm. Now go back to your Binance Exchange. As you can see, the tokens have arrived. Select SOPH tokens and choose this USDC SOPH pair. Now go to the trade and select the sell option. Then send your tokens. Now go back to the campaign page. And when you see this green tick mark, it means your mission is complete. For more updates and earning opportunities like this, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.
Goodbye.